Yeah, hello everyone. This is a continuation of the previous video we have. Okay, so now in this we have talked about the different components, how we can define the different components over there. Now let's take an example of some operations we have done with the join operation with the both of them. Let's take an example if in which if I want to create a hole or a cut of something like this. Let's take an example of a square cut. Let's take that, finish the sketch, and when I use click on the extrude option, I need to specify the sketch I need to define, and here I can just move the cursor down, so you can see that there is a cut option is visible to me. If I change to the join, so now it will be asked for the distance in the reverse direction. Okay, so here I will use a cut. So cut will work as a boolean, another boolean operation in which you have the cut like this. Okay, so this is we have the second boolean operation we have discussed. There's a one more operation which is called as an intersect. So let me take another example to understand what the how the intersect will work. So let's take an example. If I take a one rectangular frame, okay, just for now I'm taking this, apply the fillet all the side, okay, and simply complete the sketch and make it like a extrusion of that particular in maybe needs to be symmetric. Just a small thickness. I need a distance maybe consider as 2 mm. Okay. So now this is we have the one. Okay. Now in this one, let's say if I want, or I can do in a reverse, I can just change the thickness up to little larger. Okay, little larger one. And now again I'm going to take the origin. From the origin I will select a one plane over which I need to create. On the side view I want to create a one view. So let me draw a sketch. Okay, here it is something I need to draw in between of that. So sometimes happen when you are working in a solid. So I have taken the plane in middle of the solid. Okay, so if you want to see inside of the solid, so we have an option on the right which is called as a slice. So click on the slice, so it will show the internal detail, or you can say that where my current working plane is there, I will be seeing over till that area. So this slice will helpful for those things. So now here I will try to draw an arc. Let me draw. Okay, it is a 3 point, so let me create it again. This is start point, end point, and we have this curvature. Okay, I need the thickness for that. So what I the option I can use? I can use this offset option. Offset of, let it take a distance of 2 mm. Okay, I need to close this, so I will close the end over there and the end at the bottom side. So now it is finished the sketch. Now let me take this one. Again, I am choosing the extrude option. I will consider it as a symmetric. Now just extend that. Now here you can see that there is the option for a cut. If I change that cut option to intersect, so when I click on the intersect, you will get the common between both of the bodies. So let's say I've taken the intersect of that and click on OK. So now you can see that the common between we have the some bigger solid and we have some curved solid. So these type of shapes you can achieve with the help of these intersect options as well. Okay, so this is all. Now we are left with one more thing. Let's say in the extrude, it is not like we can only extrude in a perpendicular direction. Let's say if I take an example, this one, if I apply the extrude, here we have the extrude, we can define height. Now here you can see there is an option which is called as a taper angle. So taper angle, how taper angle works? So taper angle is basically give you the some conversion or divergence with respect to the perpendicular height. So let's say if I give, let's say give me the 2 degree, okay, it will be shown. So let me take it minus 5 degree or take it as minus 10 degree. Okay, so if you want some kind of a shape like this, a taperness or something, so you can also create with the help of the extrude feature as well. So these are some of the details of the extrude feature. What are the things you can achieve from that? So, okay, so stay tuned with me, and we'll move to the another video for the example of this. I will try to make a one of the some kind of a product with the help of this extrude feature. Thank you very much.